Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Rochelle Puerto. I'm 39 years old. I'm from San Felipe, Tiago Isabela, Philippines. And I'm married and blessed with one kid, age 16 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level. I work as a housemaid in Bahrain for 2 years. I serve 3 members of the family including 0-month baby. My duties are taking care of the baby, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, do laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, grocery shopping, and many more. And I also a lot of experience taking care of a toddler and children. I would like to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family needs and savings for my children's future. To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, loving, caring, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.